Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Dewalt trimmer is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools in any gardener's arsenal, designed to tackle overgrown bushes, unruly hedges, and stubborn weeds with unparalleled efficiency, making your landscaping tasks not just manageable but remarkably satisfying, ensuring a pristine outdoor space with minimal effort. Number 5. Dewalt 10 Tool 20V Max Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the ultimate cordless power tool combo kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle any job with power and precision. The drill offers versatile speed options for all your fastening and drilling needs. Its impact driver features easy bit changes for uninterrupted workflow. Switching blades on the reciprocating saw is a breeze with its keyless clamp. This makes it ideal for quick adjustments on construction sites. Clear debris efficiently with the cordless blower, delivering a strong 100 cfm of air. Keep your workspace clean and focused. The circular saw makes quick work of materials, cutting through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in one pass. Achieve clean and accurate results. Light up your workspace with the bright LED flashlight. Plus, enjoy your favorite music with the integrated Bluetooth speaker. For demanding cutting and grinding tasks, the angle grinder provides the high-speed power you need. It's built to handle tough applications. What we like. This is the ultimate toolkit for any DIYer or professional. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that covers almost every project imaginable, this is it. It offers incredible value by bundling essential power tools, making it perfect for those who need a wide range of capabilities without buying each tool separately. What people say. The Dewalt bush trimmer has a powerful motor that makes trimming thick bushes easy. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue during extended use. The adjustable cutting head allows for precise trimming at various angles. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max * String Trimmer Kit. This trimmer features a folding hinge, allowing it to fit into small storage spaces. Its reduced length when folded also makes transportation a breeze. Enjoy a generous 14-inch cutting swath for efficient trimming. It's designed to handle even thick brush with impressive durability. You have the power to choose. Select between peak performance or extended runtime with the variable speed trigger. Restringing is quick and simple. The quick load spool lets you wind new line fast, so you can get back to work sooner. Take full control of your trimming tasks. The high-low speed control switch allows you to adjust the power level as needed. Experience the power and convenience of this advanced string trimmer. It's built for tough jobs and easy handling. What we like. If you have limited storage space or need a trimmer that's easy to transport, this is your best bet. Its innovative folding hinge makes it incredibly compact. You should choose this if you value convenience and portability for quick yard maintenance tasks. What people say. It is a very good product. It is a very good product. Number 3. Dewalt DCST 925 and DCBL 720 Combo Kit. Tackle tough weeds with ease. Its 13-inch cutting swath and 0.080 line ensure a clean cut every time. The gear drive transmission powers through even the thickest overgrowth. Clear away leaves and debris with impressive force. It delivers up to 400 cfm of air volume at 90 miles per hour for efficient cleanup. Experience extended use thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor. This design maximizes both run time and the overall life of the tool. The innovative axial fan design is engineered for optimal performance. It maximizes air output and extends runtime for your convenience. This combo kit brings together powerful trimming and blowing capabilities. Get the job done efficiently with Dewalt's advanced technology. What we like. This combo kit is ideal for homeowners who want efficient yard cleanup. If you're looking for a powerful trimmer that can handle tough overgrowth and a blower to quickly clear away debris, this is the perfect pairing. The brushless motor ensures longevity and optimal performance for your outdoor tasks. What people say. The Dewalt bush trimmer is a powerful tool that makes quick work of overgrown areas. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to handle for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, allowing for a full yard cleanup on a single charge. Number 2. Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max * String Trimmer. Experience the ultimate in trimming power with the Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max * String Trimmer. Its brushless motor delivers exceptional performance for any yard task. This trimmer is engineered to tackle demanding jobs with ease. The robust design ensures durability and reliability, project after project. Achieve precise control with its 2-speed settings. Adjust the speed to match the cutting conditions for optimal results and efficiency. Cover more ground in less time thanks to its 15-inch cutting width. It efficiently handles large areas, saving you valuable time. The included 3.0 Ah battery provides ample runtime to complete your trimming tasks. Enjoy cordless freedom without compromising on power. Part of the versatile FLEXVOLT system, this tool offers incredible power and flexibility. It's designed for professionals who demand the best. What we like. For those tackling larger yards or dealing with dense vegetation, this powerful trimmer is the answer. If you need maximum cutting power and a wider reach to get the job done faster, this 60V Max model is the superior choice. Its robust performance ensures efficiency even on demanding jobs. What people say. The Dewalt trimmer is powerful and handles thick weeds with ease. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting for a full yard cleanup on a single charge. Number 1. SnapFresh Cordless Grass Shear Bush Trimmer. Introducing a versatile tool that combines grass shears and a bush trimmer. It easily tackles branches up to 0.31 inches thick for clean results. Experience precise trimming with its upgraded motor and sharp steel blades. It delivers consistent cutting performance for various garden needs. Weighing just over a pound, it's designed for easy one-handed operation and superior control. The comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during use. Enjoy peace of mind with its dual safety lock system, preventing accidental activation. It's designed for reliable and safe cordless use. Trim your yard without the hassle of cords or loud noise. The rechargeable battery and cordless design offer freedom and convenience. This tool makes yard care simple and efficient. Its lightweight and cordless design allow you to trim anywhere with ease. What we like. If you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use tool for light trimming and shaping, this is a great option. It's perfect for maintaining small gardens, flower beds, or hedges without the noise and hassle of larger equipment. Choose this if you prioritize comfort, quietness, and versatility for detailed yard work. What people say. The Dewalt Bush Trimmer is a powerful tool that makes quick work of overgrown areas. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue during extended use. The adjustable cutting head allows for precise trimming in hard-to-reach spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.